An Indigo card application denial usually comes down to information in your application, your credit profile, or factors that affect the issuer's approval decision. By the end, you'll know how to find the reason your Indigo card application was denied and what steps to take before trying again. The first step is checking the denial notice. When a credit card application is not approved, the issuer provides a reason explaining why the decision was made. That reason tells you what area needs attention. A common issue is inaccurate application information. If your name, address, income details, or other personal information does not match your records, it can create problems during the review process. Check your application details carefully and correct any mistakes before submitting another application. Another possible reason is your credit history. Credit card companies review information from your credit profile when evaluating applications. A denial may happen if your current credit situation does not meet the issuer's requirements. If your credit report contains incorrect information, review it and dispute errors with the credit reporting agencies. Removing inaccurate information can help make your credit profile more accurate for future applications. Avoid immediately sending multiple credit card applications after a denial. Applying for several cards without addressing the reason for rejection can make it harder to understand what is preventing approval. Instead, focus on the specific reason listed in your denial notice. If the issue involves credit history, work on maintaining responsible account management. If the issue involves incorrect information, update your records and make sure future applications are accurate. You can also contact Indigo Card customer support if you need more details about your application decision. The exact reason for the denial gives you a better path forward than guessing. When you are ready to apply again, review your personal information, check your credit report, and make sure the factors connected to your denial have been addressed. The key points are simple: find the denial reason, fix the specific issue, and avoid applying again before making changes. Your next step is to read your denial letter and identify the exact factor that affected your application. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, approvals, and financial apps.